How to put story on Instagram. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimo from How to Geek. In today's video I'll show you how you can put stories on Instagram, so just make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to add or put a story to Instagram, first make sure you've updated the Instagram app, and once you've done so, just go ahead and then launch the Instagram app. If you want to add a story, you can see I have not yet added anything, so just tap on the little plus button on your story icon over here and you'll be taken to this page. If you want to choose one of the photos from your gallery, then you could respectively go ahead and do that, or else you could basically also try to choose a picture right away by tapping on the camera icon over here and selecting an image that you want to change to, and just go ahead and select any of the images as well. So I'll just select a random story over here. Let's say for example I'll just select a random footage. Once I select a random photo over here, I can add multiple things to the story. For example, if I want to add a text, I can go ahead and do that, as you can see over here. If I want to add some kind of stickers, such as if I want to add music, question, gifs, polls, or I want to add any other fancy little stuff, I could do that from the sticker section. I can also go ahead and mention them as well. And if I want to draw something, then I can tap on the draw tool. If I want to use some filters and so on, I could tap on the filters icon. If I want to save this on my gallery after I've edited it out, I could go ahead and do that respectively. And finally, in order to share them, you have two options. You can share them to your story and everybody on your follow list will be able to view it. The other is you can only share it to your close friends list. That means only people you've added to your close friends will be able to view the story. Once you're happy with your story, just go ahead and make the respective changes and tap on the your story button. That's all it takes to put stories on Instagram. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. And if you've got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.